The Tesla Model S is primarily powered by a high-voltage battery pack for propulsion, but it also relies on a separate 12-volt lead-acid battery as an auxiliary power source. This auxiliary battery powers low-voltage systems such as lights, infotainment, door locks, and the car's central computer. If your Tesla is left unused or experiences a fault, this 12-volt battery can drain, preventing startup or access to essential features. This video will show you how to safely charge the 12-volt battery using jump packs and service mode. The 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model S plays a crucial role in booting up the vehicle's systems before the main high-voltage battery takes over. This auxiliary battery powers essential low-voltage components like lights, door locks, and the infotainment system. The 12-volt battery is a standard lead-acid type, with a capacity ranging from 60 to 100 ampere hours depending on your Model S model year. This traditional battery chemistry provides reliable starting power for the vehicle's electronics. The 12-volt battery recharges automatically from the main battery pack through a DC-DC converter. This converter safely steps down the high voltage from the main battery, which can reach up to 400 volts, down to the standard 12 volts needed for the auxiliary systems. Unlike direct jump starting from another vehicle, Tesla recommends using approved methods like jump packs or service mode to prevent electrical damage to the vehicle's systems. Maintaining proper charge on the 12-volt battery is essential for the overall health and reliability of your Tesla Model S. For charging the 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model S, a portable jump pack provides a quick and safe boost. Choose a jump pack rated for at least 1000 amps peak output and 12 volts to ensure compatibility with your vehicle's system. Tesla's own jump pack is designed specifically for their vehicles, or opt for certified third-party options like the Noco Boost Pro, which offers reliable performance and additional features. You'll also need insulated tools to safely connect the jump pack to the battery terminals under the hood, preventing any risk of electrical shorts. Important safety note: never attempt a direct jump start from another vehicle's battery, as this can cause electrical damage to your Tesla's sensitive systems. Always use a dedicated jump pack designed for this purpose. Begin the jump pack charging procedure by opening the hood of your Model S. Next, locate the 12-volt battery terminals under the hood. The positive terminal is typically red and the negative terminal is black. Now connect the jump pack clamps. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Power on the jump pack and allow it to charge the 12-volt battery for 10 to 30 minutes until the car's systems respond. Finally, disconnect the jump pack in the reverse order of connection. Tesla's service mode allows you to trickle charge the 12-volt battery from the main battery without external tools. First, ensure your main battery has at least 10% charge. Park your Model S on a level surface. Simultaneously press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds. The touchscreen will display service mode. Allow 1 to 2 hours for charging. To exit, repeat the scroll wheel process or simply start driving. Safety is paramount when working with your Tesla Model S 12-volt battery system. Before using a jump pack, disconnect the main battery's positive cable located under the hood near the frunk to prevent any voltage surges that could damage the vehicle's electronics. Always use insulated tools when handling electrical connections to protect yourself from potential electrical hazards and prevent accidental shorts in the system. Avoid charging the 12-volt battery in extreme temperatures, whether below freezing at 0 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius, as this can affect battery performance and charging efficiency. Regularly check your 12-volt battery's voltage through the service menu on the touchscreen. If the voltage drops below 11 volts, it indicates the battery needs charging. Values below 10 volts may signal the need for battery replacement to avoid further issues. If your 12-volt battery frequently drains, it could indicate a deeper issue. Common causes include a faulty DC-DC converter, parasitic drain from an updated infotainment system, or software glitches. Tesla's 2025 service bulletins highlighted these problems in older models. Statistics show 5% of Model S service calls relate to 12-volt batteries, with 80% stemming from software issues. Use a multimeter to check voltage levels, and consult a Tesla service center for persistent problems. Looking ahead, Tesla is evolving its 12-volt battery systems with advanced technology. The company is integrating smart systems that can predict battery drain based on usage patterns, helping owners maintain optimal battery health. Currently, Tesla Model S uses traditional lead-acid 12-volt batteries, but the company plans to phase these out in favor of lithium-based auxiliaries. Lithium-ion batteries offer significant advantages over lead-acid types. Tesla's current design integrates multiple 12-volt batteries with transistors and motors, as shown in this system diagram. The anatomy highlights the aluminum frame and electric components that work with the auxiliary battery. Switching to lithium-based auxiliaries promises longer battery life, typically 10 years or more compared to 4 to 6 years for lead-acid. These batteries also support faster charging rates. Lithium-ion batteries provide consistent performance, increased efficiency, and time reduction in charging. This leads to higher productivity and balanced costs for Tesla owners. The charging process for lithium-ion batteries includes trickle charging, constant current, and constant voltage stages, allowing for efficient and safe recharging from the main battery pack. Tesla is developing smart 12-volt systems that predict battery drain using usage data. Future updates may include AI-driven maintenance apps that automatically activate service mode for optimized battery health. Reports on AI-driven battery management systems indicate a growing market for automated tools that will reduce user error and improve battery longevity in Tesla vehicles. As Tesla moves toward unified battery architectures, traditional jump packs may become unnecessary. Keep an eye on future software updates that bring these smart features to your Model S.